Where are the seed reports, Gerald?
Boss, the seeds are fucking gone.
Our network got hacked by duck terrorists.
God damn it, Gerald, you always fuck shit up.
Alright, line up to legally distinct Millbury. Okay, now smile.
Hurry the fuck up, I got shit to do.
Mom, see how fast I'm spinning? I'm so fast. My passport looks fucking stupid.
What did you say?
Doctor, I have been craving bread a lot lately.
Let's take your temperature then. Here is your problem.
What the fuck?
Hello, police. How can I help?
Help, I am about to be murdered.
What? They can't, that's illegal.
Excuse me, what?
Where did the killer go?
Where am I? Where is my mom? Who are you?
If you don't shut up, I will arrest you.
Shoot die fuck up. Alright, zet mission was a succes.
Wat doen we do with the seats now?
Wat dit you say?
This is some good bread. Yeah, we just love bread.
Bread should only be for geese like us.
Man, you two just love bread.
I am looking for 2 runaway humans.
Sorry, only geese here.
Yeah, eating bread like we do.
Okay, sorry, have a good day.